Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this smart PDF solution, which is PDFelement. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about PDFelement. PDFelement makes editing, converting, and managing PDF simple with built-in AI tools for summarizing, translating, and even chatting with documents. It's easy to use, affordable, and works smoothly across devices, perfect for students, freelancers, and small teams who need a reliable all-in-one PDF editor. However, it's not flawless. Collaboration tools are limited, and handling very large or complex files can slow it down. Still, for everyday PDF work at a great price, PDFelement is one of the smartest pick in 2025. So that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.